Hey, what's going on guys? Gabriel here. With all the crazy things happening around the world, we didn't have too much time to create content, but we're back. Now today I'll introduce you PIXOO, which is one of my favorite and coolest things I have in my room. I don't know if you guys have heard about this bad boy, but I mean, look at it. It's so cool and cute. Now the PIXOO is an intelligent LED panel, but after testing it and playing with it for a while, I've realized that it's way more than that. The 16 by 16 frame made by Divoom has 256 LEDs, and it can display the time, images, and even your social media notifications. The power button is located at the top of the device. When pressing it for 5 seconds, you can turn it on or off, and by pressing it one time, the battery will be displayed. There is also a button on the bottom of the frame, and it helps you to change the backgrounds or animation on PIXOO. On the back of the PIXOO, you can find a stand arm in case you want to put it in your nightstand and use it as an alarm. Or you can hang it on the wall to display any pattern or image you prefer. Now inside the box, we can find a manual, which we usually don't read, but just for special features, I think you should take a look. Some cool stickers, the charger, and the Divoom PIXOO. The PIXOO has many features to offer, but today I'm just going to show you my favorite ones. First of all, before customizing your PIXOO, you'll need to install the Divoom app and sign in. In case you have any questions regarding these, you can check out our detailed review that will appear here, or you can check the link in the description below where we explain more about this topic. Once your PIXOO is paired, you can choose over thousands of PIXOO arts, like literally thousands of them. You can choose to display hearts and kisses if you have a girl over, or you can choose to display Mario Kart if you're a cool gamer, like me. People from all over the world design this PIXOO art. You can actually create your own PIXOO design and animation and share it with the entire world. When designing your art, you can choose from animated stuff to still one. You can display even your text messages, the weather, the time, whatever you want. Like, you really have so many choices that I'm sure you'll find the perfect one for you. Once you get bored of it, you can just keep scrolling and find a more appealing and cooler design for you. The PIXOO is actually a very useful tool. You can customize things like temperature, clock, calendar. It has a stopwatch, music visualizer, and even a planner. So if you're the type of person who likes to break down tasks like me, you can use these tools to know when to do what and be more productive. Now let's say you got bored of watching Netflix and you just want to chill. The PIXOO has some games to offer, such as the PIXOO Slot, the PIXOO Dice, and Magic 8 Box. Simple games that are perfect just to chill. Although I do love PIXOO, there are some things that I didn't like as much. The first thing I'm not a fan of is the app navigation. The menu can be quite confusing, and it's easy to get lost if you don't memorize it. Now the second thing I didn't like as much is that the screen can get dirty or it can damage easily, so you have to be careful with this. Aside from this, I do recommend this product, and if you have the chance, you should definitely give it a try. And that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you all liked it. If you have any questions regarding PIXOO, you can let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and smash the notification bell. In that way you don't miss any of our future content. Remember that if you want to support the channel, you can always check out our Patreon page where you have access to exclusive media and more. This is Gabriel, and hasta la vista.